Hey guys, so today I am finally going to be testing the Kiara Sky dip kit. I know I've been testing dip powders and everything like that a lot lately, and I've done my fair share, but I have never done this one, the most popular brand, I would say, for dipping systems. So I decided it was finally time and I ordered this, and this is what we're going to be doing today. I ordered a funner one, or I tried to at least, with the gold opposed to just the nude one. So hopefully it'll be fun. After this, there won't be any more dip systems for a while, I promise. But let's just dig right on into this. Do you guys want to know where I bought this? The website. Not Amazon, not eBay, not Wish, the website. So I think here we got some instructions, nice little book. And here's everything else. So we got our bond base, the sealer, the top coat, some cuticle oil, and a brush saver, as well as some dip powders. So I'm assuming that one of these is like the clear and another one maybe is white. Got a nude, a red, and this fun gold. It also just came with this handy powder catcher. You guys know I use a little ramekin or paper towel or something like that. So we're upgrading, guys. So hopefully we can get a proper ombre going today. So per the instructions, basically you're supposed to prep the nail and put on the tips. So why don't we do that before we put on any of this? So today, I'm sure you're all gonna be shocked at which tips I'm using. It's not my fault, but these ones are the best. I will link everything I'm using down below, by the way. The kit, the tips, everything else, I got you. So I am going to start off with a dehydrator, as usual. Wrong hand, here we go. Will I be able to keep my hand in focus? Time will tell. I don't know why it's taken me so long to try this kit. I think because it is on the more expensive side. I think I paid $110 for this, opposed to, you know, like $10 for usual Wish. Next, it is tip time. I'm not going to be doing these ones crazy long, just, you know, maybe medium today. My nails are already like roughed up and everything like that, by the way, because I took off another set earlier today. Cuticles are looking better though. Whenever I have a acrylic set that I leave on for like a couple weeks, they end up looking fine. Obviously, I took them off today, so they're a bit dry. But other than that, much better. Always against this white background too. It's a little rough. And here's where I realized that I should probably put something else down so that I don't mess up this table. All right. Okay, let's go with gray. I feel like that's where you can see the best. So apparently I was supposed to apply bond before I put the tips on, but I think we'll be okay. This is probably just like a dehydrator, a primer, something like that, and we'll be all right. Yeah, I think it's just a dehydrator. All right, now to get into the good stuff.
So basically now we just are supposed to apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then dip into the natural powder and then apply again and dip into the color.
Got it? Good. Let's do a very not me set, and let's do a nude. Who is she? And gold ombre. The red is pretty, but we're gonna leave her alone for right now. Okay, so I'm hoping that because these nails aren't that long, I'm actually able to dip my entire nail into these. I stopped doing dip powders like as a normal method for a little while because I didn't like that I couldn't actually dip them because my nails are always too long, but these tips aren't that long. So I'm hoping that we can actually do some dipping action. So why don't we try that? And then I'm gonna do the rest of this one too. Moment of truth, can I dip it? Oh my God, I can! Yay! Okay, so that one was the natural, I hope. Yes, okay. And wow, we're in business. I'm so happy I can dip that entirely. Okay, let's gonna move on to these other nails. And dip. Wow, I'm so happy I can actually dip. Is this what happens when you buy a professional system instead of getting ones from Wish? Don't get me wrong, some of the ones from Wish are good, but I definitely like all the extras that you get, like being able to do long nails with this. The only thing I don't like about dip powders, the dust is so fine. I hate the texture of it. Have pretty nails. And dip. Love that. So happy with this so far. All right, now I believe that we can start on the colors now. Here is just with the single 3/4 base. Really happy so far. What did I say we're doing? Natural, right? Here is this one. This one is firm and proper. I thought that these would have like a little seal, but they don't, so making sure that it's all level when I open it. Okay, so now I'm doing the entire nail. Now we'll do dip into the entire thing, can we? Pretty much. The only thing so far that I've noticed is this base dries really quick, a lot quicker than some of the other kits that I've used. I try my best to be really, my best to be really clean with like where I'm putting it down, because it is not fun to file off, and it's sort of drying by the time I'm like finishing coating the entire nail. Could be a long nail problem, could be an everyone problem, I don't know. Here's our naturalness going on right now. So for the ombre, I think I'm gonna do 2 coats of this natural one, and then I'll do the ombre on top and then seal it. That seems like a good idea to me. Okay, so let's do 1 more coat of this natural nude color. The glue smell isn't that bad. Usually with any dip kit, you're gonna get a little bit of that nose hair burningness. It happens, but it's not too bad with this one. Here is where this handy contraption comes in. Okay, cute little spoons. So you can put these in there if you want to do multiple colors. I love that. Okay, so we're gonna try this. I'm gonna take this gold. Ooh, pretty. So sparkly. And I think I'll put maybe just a tiny bit of base on. It's like kind of towards the end right here. And then why does that literally never work how I want it to? You know what, actually? I think we're getting somewhere. Does that look like an ombre to you? I think it looks like an ombre to me. Ombres are not my strong suit. Why am I so terrible at this? Okay, I think I kind of got it. So a lot slower, a lot more careful. Look at that one. Okay, I got it. Yay, I got that one too. Okay, let's go back and try to fix these atrocities. Wow, okay, I'm glad I'm finally getting the ombre. I haven't mastered it, but I'm getting somewhere. I'm apprenticing it. This really did save a lot though. Fun. Okay, and then now we're supposed to dip it in the clear. I'm gonna try to get as much of this glare off so I don't contaminate it. Now we just put on this clear base.
All right, good night, I love you.
Next we're supposed to liberally apply Seal Protect. I'm just gonna put this all over like multiple times since we're supposed to like really get it in there. I like how you can sort of see it working. You know what I mean? Watch me. Just like you can see the color light up on the gold. So the next step is to file and shape. I don't know how I ever lived without my dust collector, but it doesn't make for good videos because it's very loud. So yeah, gonna do all this jazz now. Okay, and then you're supposed to apply more of the sealer. Is that what it is? Seal Protect. This is always my least favorite part of dip kits because this is almost like another glue and you really need to work quick or it will dry on you. This item is why you also get a brush saver. A lot of the time after you're done using it, you're supposed to switch them. That way the brush can soften up in here and then a new soft brush will be available in here. And then you can just, you know, do the cycle. Anyway, we're supposed to do this in quick. So I don't think I'm moving quick. I wouldn't recommend wiping off the excess on like the little lip in the bottle because it will make this brush stick down to it and then you will break it. All right, now we're going to let that dry and then we're gonna put on one more coat. And the brush is totally hardened already. Okay, let's try to get this one on. I'll switch them. Switch. And they do give us cuticle oil. And everyone is always on me about cuticle oil, and what you guys don't know is I actually do put it on, but my problem is that I like to hand wash things and I also clean a lot. And so my hands are always so dry from doing that. I really should be wearing gloves, but you know. Okay, here they are. Can you believe I actually kind of got down the dip ombre? Not perfect, but you know, it's a good start. Much better than last time. Final thoughts. I really do like this kit. I think it is a really good solid kit if you already know you like dipping and this is going to be your preferred method long term. I do think that if you're wanting to invest in a good kit, this would probably be a good one to invest in. You do definitely get a lot more product than say the Serendipity kit that you can get at Walmart. And I do think that this kit in particular worked a little bit better than the Dipwell kit, but it is, I think, almost twice as expensive. If you're wanting to splurge on a dip kit and you really know you're gonna like this method, you do get a lot of different colors for that price, and you get a lot of product in each of these. Like having the oil is always like a nice touch, as well as I really liked this little device. I thought it was really handy. So yeah, I hope that this was helpful for you guys. I know this is probably one of the most requested kits I had ever gotten, so I hope that this was helpful. Please make sure to give this a like if you want me to keep trying these different kits out, and I will hopefully see you next time. Bye!